I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Poco F2 Pro device. So it is the Poco F2 Pro, friends. Finally, I got hands-on with the Poco X2, and in this video, I'll be doing the unboxing video. And recently, when I got the hands-on with the Mi Note 10 Lite mobile phone as well, which has a very good curved display and everything. So all the links for the playlist will be available in the description. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Poco F2 Pro. So all the camera samples will be uploaded in the Instagram group. So try to follow the Instagram group, so there you can get the camera samples for both of these phones, so you can stay up to date information about both of the phones. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Definitely try to subscribe to my channel, friends. I'll be posting plenty of in-depth reviews on this both phones. Definitely by the time it gets launched in India, you need to decide which phone to buy and what are the advantages and disadvantages. So I'll be just testing in depth, and let's get started in this video with a just unboxing. And do comment below what are the different testings you want me to do. Definitely I'll try to include those testings in my videos, and you can get clear information in my channel. So always subscribe to my channel, friends, and let's get started with the unboxing. So as I said, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know exactly what wallpapers I'm using currently in my both of these phones, so which looks very cute for the notch phones or punch hole phones, so try to check the wallpaper playlist. So every time I do get this kind of comments which wallpaper I'm using, so I decided to mention it before in the video. So it will be very much useful for you in case if you're having this kind of notch phones. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Poco X2. So during this unboxing, I'll go through the specifications of the phone, what it has and what are the advantages of this phone. So first let me talk about the display of the phone. So display of the phone is of 6.67 inches with a 1080 resolution and with the HDR10 Plus certified in the phone. So HDR10 Plus certified and 500 nits of brightness. So in comparison with the brightness, the Realme X2 Pro has the 1000 nits brightness. So the Poco X2 F2 Pro has only 500 nits brightness, and which has a Super AMOLED panel, and there is no higher refresh rate unfortunately in the Poco F2 Pro device. So if the Poco F2 has any kind of high refresh rate, then that would have been complete package for this budget. So next let me talk about the processor. Processor is of Snapdragon 865 processor, and the model which I am using is of 128 GB variant and 6 GB RAM. And the phone can actually record 8K video footage, so I'll be testing the 8K footage as well very soon. So as you can see, this is a color which I have ordered, so which has a 4700 mAh of battery and 30 watts charging, so which is very good. The phone feels little bit kind of heavy because the phone weight is of 221 grams, so slightly heavy. So it doesn't have very much super fast charging, but this is my first 5G phone in my channel. As you can see, this is my first 5G phone unboxing. So let's get started. So let's check what are the other things you do get with the 5G phone. So this is a normal 30-watt charger and the cable. So let me keep aside, and definitely I'll be testing the charging time taken, how much it will take in the Poco F2 Pro device. And let's check whether what type of case we get. The case, we do get the transparent case, not the black color. So I prefer mostly the transparent case, as you can see, which is also very good, very stiff, not like a normal plastic case which I got. So this feels little bit stiff, as you can see, very hard. I am trying to press, but the case is so far the best case. Definitely, friends, I did not have this kind of art case anytime, but this is a very good art case. So this is the overall unboxing of the Poco F2 Pro and initial impressions of this phone as well. So definitely I'll be doing the more and more in-depth reviews on this Poco F2 Pro device. So definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So definitely I'll be doing with the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and 855 processor and 845 processor, different processor test I'll be doing. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So do comment below what are your tests you want me to do. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.